Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals. Welcome back to my channel and to another kit lineup video. Today I am showing you the kits I am using in September, which is very like random month really, but I'm just using bits and pieces, and yeah, let's get into it. I will start with my on-camera / main memory planner, and then I'll go over my off-camera planner as well. I've got my little stacks off to the side ready to show you, and this is our first kit. So we will be using this kit. This is Off Duty by Plannerface for the 2nd of September. I do PR for Plannerface, so you can get a discount by using Tilly to save 10%. And yeah, so yeah, this is Off Duty. It is clip art kits art, and I love that it's like very purpley. Purple is one of my favourite colours. I'm here for it. And this is the kit. I'm not going to go over format too much, but yeah, that's the kit. Then you get the deco and icons. I buy the 15mm add-on. Anna is very, very generous and always includes additional skin tones and hair colours for free. No extra charge, no add-ons or anything like that. And then I get the box add-on, which has lots of more little things, which is basically why I get it, and 2 third boxes, which they are my 2 most used boxes, third boxes and little things. So that's there. Then the foil bundle I am pairing with it is this one here from Caress Press, and let's put it like that so you'll be able to see it a bit better, which is like the Rainbow Luxe. So it's a nice chill one. So they're your 4 boxes. This is an old format one, so I may have to pull in some extra boxes. You've got your bottom washi there and headers and the script and icon page. So that is the foil bundle I'm using, but I am actually going mixed metal with this. So I'm doing pink. Oh yeah, I won't need extra boxes because I'm going half pink, half purple, and then this is purple from my shop. The only problem with this is it's going to be a mix of glossy and matte overlays, but that's kind of fine. So I've got these 2 sheets here. I've got some extra bits from old foil bundles that I've used parts of, and then I've got some bottom washi. And then for the underlays, so we're doing mixed metal foil look with Rainbow Luxe in rose and lilac twinkle dot. So just mixing and matching. I don't know whether I think I'm just gonna mix them randomly. I'm not gonna do like one purple, one pink. And then for the underlays, I'm sticking with the same mixed metal, and I have solid underlays in matte purple, and then I have the splodge underlays in pink. So let's just do that little bit of layering. And need to get rid of those bubbles. And that's how that looks. I'm in manual focus, I tried. And that's how it will look, which I think is really cute and I'm very excited for. So yeah, that is the vision. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, but I'm super excited. I really like foil combinations and stuff. I think it's so much fun. So yeah, that is for the week of the 2nd in my main planner. Moving on to the week of the 9th, it is my best friend Sophie of Rhymer Plans, Rhymer Made, birthday this week. So we have a kit that she absolutely loves and like is very her. So we have Sweet Arcade from Plannerface. This was a mystery and it is drawn by Becca Holland's art. So these are your full boxes. This is old format, so I'm just going to flick through it really quickly. I love the colours of this kit. Yeah, it's very Sophie, and I am here for it and excited for it. It is a mystery kit, so you do get the mystery add-on. Then there was a misprint on the flags, so you got some extra flags. You get all of the add-ons with the mystery, so you've got your 15mm add-on. You've got toolboxes, and these are like a traditional toolbox, but not Anna's normal size of toolbox. Your additional skin tones and hair colours, all there, lots of those. Then you get the box add-on and also the glitter add-on there. I thought because Sophie's favourite colour, well, one of Sophie's favourite colours is pink, Her favourite colour is actually a yellow orange, but she really likes pink. I would use this pinky purple, because it's also pink and purple in the kit, foil bundle in Crest Press Hearts. Again, because like she's my bestie, so she deserves hearts. And it has a double box, so perfect for that. So we've got the 4 boxes. This is the new Crest Press foil bundle format. You've got your bottom washi and things, you've got your script and icon, and then you've got your bougie, but I won't actually be pulling in this bougie, so I'm actually going to pop it off to the side, because instead of doing that, I am bringing in this pink checker along with these lilac lines, and I'm just going to change my lighting ever so slightly to show you what that looks like there, which is super cute. And I am going to layer these again. And again, I have been very unorganised and not prepped my layerings, but we can just do it here. And unfortunately I made these in matte rather than glossy, so we do have a little bit of it's not going to show the underneath foil quite as well, but you still should be able to get that lilac lines look, and it still looks pretty solid. Really, I should remake these in glossy, but also I'm lazy, so I probably won't. And I think that still works with the kit because the purple is actually quite muted, so actually that looks really cool because the purple matches quite well. So actually I'm happy with that, despite the fact it is clearly like muted and it's not showing off the hollow as well of the underneath foil, but that's fine. That is what it is. So that is our vision for that kit there, which I think is really cute and I'm quite excited for. I love this, to be fair. I love checkerboard with a different colour underneath. On to the 16th of September, I thought I'd start to transition to autumn, and I am using this terracotta kit from Plannerface. This is new format, and it just makes me think of autumn. The colours and stuff, it screams autumnal for me. So I'm going to use that. So these are your 4 boxes. You've got your 9th and 10th 4 box, Monday through Sunday trackers, and some little like fun shaped things as well of your ombre heart check boxes. We have the alternate skin tones and hair colours plus some extra boxes. These 2 are extras, and then yeah, more skin tone hair colours. You've got your icons and deco, your boxes page, your little things page with glitter headers, your check boxes, and flags. You've got your bottom washi, your weekend banners, and some extra like big little things. I get the 15mm washi add-on, and how gorgeous is that one? And then the box add-on there. I am going to pull in this orange foil bundle, which is actually in the same format. It's also the confetti. So that you've got these 2 pages of 4 boxes, you've got your bougie, scripts and icons, and your bottom washi, and it is just a nice orange, and it goes quite well with this orange, so I'm excited for that. And then for underlays, I am using these bricks. This is not the paper I went with in the end, because as you can see there's a lot of overfoiling, but yeah, and this is in orange lines. I probably won't overlay this because the foil colours are quite similar, but that's fine, so we'll just have the bricks, and I think that will look super cute. I could have done an underneath colour, but I think I want to keep some weeks just simple and just one set of underlays, so that's what I'm doing for the week of the 16th. And for the final week of September, the week of the 23rd, I am going full on autumnal and with an old mystery kit from Plannerface. So actually all of my kits in my memory planner are from Plannerface. I think one of them only is in my off-camera planner, but I tend to use my favourite kits in my memory planner because that's the one I will definitely keep. Anyway, this is Autumn Walk. It was the July 2022 mystery, and I really love the yellows in this. Honestly, like I'm now thinking, should I have put this kit, this yellowy orange, like how perfectly does that match that colour? But then I've got lots of green stuff pulled in, and I'm like, oh, I don't know what to do. Let me know in the comments down below, do you think I should stick with the green, or do you think I should bring in this yellow foil bundle? I'm going to put them both with it for now. So anyway, this is the kit. This is an older format because it's 2 years old. Look at that fox, so cute. But yeah, this is the format. Got the bottom washi there. Then you've got the extra kid boxes, alternate skin and hair colours, the normal size Plannerface toolbox. This is the normal size of that. You have your scene on your mystery add-on, glitter add-on, and box add-on. So I'm going to go over my previous foil vision until I just spotted that they matched really well, and then we'll have a think. So, and again, oh, I really don't know. I don't think this vision works. I don't know, maybe I mix and match and do yellow and green, but then I really like this yellow and want to save it for when I want a yellowy foil. I don't know. So I've just got lots of different green things, and I'm just going to bring in lots of different greens with it, because like the yellow and orange is quite in the kit, and my plan was to bring out all the greens via this. So I've got some bits from my shop, some bits of leftovers from Squirrel Prints Co. in various greens, so that's like a more hollow green. We've got various green underlays, got another script page, we've got some overlay, bottom washi overlays from my shop, and these are they look quite similar on camera, but they are actually not the same green. We've got like the brighter green, and we've got this one's like matte. It's more obvious in person, but as you can see, this one is like very shiny and this one is more matte. But yeah, so we've got two different greens of those. Bit of random stuff. We've got the twinkle boxes there. We've got a script and icon page from my shop, a matte page from my shop, and then we have solid green underlays from my shop as well, which I was going to, the vision was to layer these with these, but I don't know, do I use this foil bundle instead? But then I'm just pulling some of the green stuff and do a mixed yellow and green. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do, because I am now very much in two minds. I'm really sorry, I caught the camera there with foil, so apologies for that. And that is actually it for my main on-camera planner. So you will see all of those spreads come to life. Might not be for a little while because I am quite behind on videos, but you will see them all come to life at some point. Moving on to my off-camera planner, I don't share this on the channel. I will like do a flip through at the end of the year or something, but this is just so I have somewhere to plan when I want to and when I feel like planning. So for the week of the 2nd of September, I'm just keeping it like slightly autumnal, moving into slightly autumnal kits, but not quite, with this pink diamond planner coat. This is in glossy. I do prefer her premium matte, but this one is in glossy, and I think it might be quite yeah, this is an old format, but yeah, I love this book. It's one of my favorite, like I love, Leanne Moriarty is probably one of my favourite authors. I don't know who drew the, oh no, this is Darcy art, I'm fairly sure, because it's a mystery, but I bought the mystery, I possibly bought this secondhand, or I just bought like it in the shop, so yeah. And to pair with it, I'm just going, in my off-camera planner, I just go simple and just use a foil bundle, but I have this rose gold Scribble Prints Co. one in like twinkle. It's got normal, bougie, script and icon, old script and icon, and my favourite bow. I wish like that was her general bow, not the chunky one, it's just my preference. But yeah, so that is it for the week of the 2nd in my off-camera planner. Moving on to the 9th is, as I've said, it is my bestie Sophie's birthday, and so I use a kit for her. It's actually also, no, the next week is actually my sister's birthday and my brother-in-law's birthday, but I tend to just use to celebrate Sophie's birthday in my planner because they normally fall on the same week because they're 5 days apart, and Sophie's a planner girl, so that's kind of my logic, but it's not really very good logic, it's just logic. So this is Stars Hollow. It's obviously based on Gilmore Girls. Sophie loves Gilmore Girls, so it just seems very appropriate. This is from Plannerface Co. It is a printable that I have cut myself, so any errors in the printing is my problem. I think this is quite an old format, so yeah, that could be interesting to use, but you have loads of extra boxes there as well. But because it's in my off-camera planner, we only ever do 2 boxes. I never use day extenders. And then foil-wise, we just have the confetti from Plannerface in Hollow, because Hollow is Sophie's favourite foil, and I just thought that was nice and a little subtle touch of foil on it. There's your bougie and your icons, and then your bottom washi toolbox scripts and date dots. So yeah, that's my first Plannerface foil bundle I've shown. But yeah, that's it for the week of the 9th, aka my bestie's birthday week. moving on to the week of the 16th, I've just kind of gone into autumnal kits and like semi-autumnal kits. So we have the July Mystery 2022 from Squirrel Prince Co. And this is obviously like outside movie night themed. There's no real rhyme or reason for this, but it's pretty and I like it, so we're going with it. So your 4 boxes are there. It's just nice and autumnal, like moving into autumn, proper autumn boxes. I am actually going to a birthday party this weekend, I believe, for my husband's cousins, my cousins-in-law. Is that a thing? Cousin-in-law? I don't know. It has colour blocked date covers, which just isn't my favourite thing in the world, but it is what it is. And we have a load of extra boxes there. So that is the kit, and then I thought I'd just stick with simple gold for, you know, whatchamacallit. Why can't I think of words for autumnal feels? And because it's outdoor, I thought tropical. I know the tropical is more like, screams more summer. This tropical foil bundle screams more summer, but I think it works. And I think because it's outdoors, it works well. And yeah, so in fact, it's not even just gold, it's champagne lights, I think. Looking at that, let's change our lighting a little bit and we can show off. There we go. Oh, look at that champagne lights. That is absolutely stunning. I actually really love that. I'd forgotten it was champagne lights. But yeah, so that's going to be a really cute combo there. And then last but not least, the last kit I have to show you is for the week of the 23rd. And as I said, we are going properly into autumn now. October will be a mix of autumn and Halloween. And then I'll probably go into Christmas kits for December because I have quite a lot of Christmas kits. And then winter kits in January, other than the week my new niece or nephew will be born. Anyway, this is Whimsy Autumn. This is a kit from last year, I believe, from Plannerface, but it's super cute and whimsical, and just, yeah, I love the bottom washi with like my whole heart. I'm just obsessed with that. Your extra boxes page and things. Then we have extra skin and hair colours. We have an extra box there. Got the icons and deco, 15mm add-on, and your box add-on. And then I couldn't decide what to do for foil for this, so I decided to go for mixed metal, silver and gold. I felt like that would kind of lend into the sort of whimsical vibes, but also was a bit autumnal as well without being too autumnal. So I've just gone for this twinkle design. So that is your boxes page, 4 boxes page, your bougie, script and icon page, and your bottom washi there. I also appear to have some extra bougie boxes which I won't need, and some extra scripts and icons which I might need. So yeah, and that is Whimsy Autumn and the last kit for this video. That is how my month is gonna look. I feel like I'm a bit zoomed out at the moment, but that's fine. But yeah, let me know what you think of this lineup. Are we twinning on anything? I kind of doubt it because I'm using quite a lot of old kits. I really am trying to like get my kit collection down a little bit this year, because I have far more than I know what to do with. If you enjoyed this video, comment, like down below. Let me know what you think I should do with this kit and what your favourite foil pairing I've done this month is. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!